Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to help you fix Instagram black screen issue. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, a lot of people have been complaining both on iPhone and Android that you open up Instagram and there's just a black screen and there's really no way to get it gone. There's no way to use Instagram normally. I'm going to walk you through some fixes to definitely get Instagram working again and get that black screen issue resolved. So the key here is, let's hop out of here and open up our settings. Let me go back. So this is on an iPhone, but you can follow the same steps on Android. You'll want to go into your settings on Android. And then I'm going to tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now I'm going to find the Instagram app here. There it is. And I'm going to offload this app and then reinstall the app. And what this does is it force updates Instagram to the latest version and gets rid of any kind of bugs or glitches within that Instagram app, including that black screen problem. So if you're on Android, just go through the steps of deleting the app, clearing the cache, and then reinstalling it, and that should get rid of all of these bugs as well and force Instagram to the latest version, which shouldn't have that black screen issue. And then you'll just want to close out of everything and open up Instagram again, and it should be working and you shouldn't resolve or shouldn't have that black screen issue anymore. That should be resolved. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.